तो मुझे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड भी चाहिए ना यहाँ। सर वो बोर्ड को थोड़ा थोड़ा बोर्ड को सीधा करिए, बोर्ड को पूरा पूरा नहीं। Good afternoon, boy. Good afternoon, students. Let us start with continuation of integration long answers. As we started yesterday, let us do integration long answers. Yesterday we covered 3 models, very important models. Is it clear? Right. Now, let us do with one more important model. The model, what it is, see the model once, everybody. Yeah. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x under root of 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. Now, how it look like? Integration of 1 by px plus q into under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Correct now? So whenever you come across like this, most important thing what you are going to do is put 1 plus x equal to, put this 1 plus x is there, no? Put this 1 plus x, this part. Put this 1 plus x equal to 1 by t. This is your important substitution. So here, always the working rule will be px plus q equal to 1 by t. This is your working rule when it is in this form. Is it clear, everybody? Right. Now, differentiate with respect to x. Then 1 is equal to minus 1 by t square dt by dx. Then dx is minus dt by t square. Now integration of, replace everything. And here 1 plus x is 1 by t. Then x equal to 1 by t minus 1. And x equal to 1 minus t by t. 1 plus x equal to 1 by t. Then x equal to 1 by t. So x in terms of t I want. So that is 1 by t, 1 minus t by t. Now replace everything. So 1 by, this is 1 by t. This is under root of 3 plus 2 into, what is x? 1 minus t by t. Minus 1 minus t by t, its whole square. D minus dt by t square. This is what you should know it. So it is so this part you got it, no? Dx in terms of differentiate with that is 1 equal to minus 1 by t square dt by dx. Then dx equal to minus dt by t square. X is nothing but 1 minus t by t, right? So I hope you now got it. So dt in terms of t, dx in terms of t, x is also in terms of t. I got it, right? Next, replace everything in your integration. Integration of 1 by, this was 1 by t, and under root of 3 plus 2x, no? X means what I said, t minus 1 by t, minus x square, no? T minus 1 by t whole square. And this is minus dt by t square, dx also. Now integration of this t will come to numerator by under root of 3 plus 2t minus 2 by t. Minus, separate your square and expand it simultaneously. So what I get is t square. Here what I get is t square plus 1 minus 2t. This minus t by t square as it is. Okay. Now this t by under root of, your LCM is nothing but t square, no? Inside the root. So this becomes 3t square. This becomes 3t square plus, see, 1t gets cancelled. Still t will be left. 2t square minus 2t. Here t square as it is. Minus t square minus 1 plus 2t. It's actually minus of, okay? Minus dt by t square. Now this t square comes outside the root. It comes to numerator. That is nothing but integration. This becomes t square. Why? This t square comes outside the root. It becomes t. That t comes to numerator. That is t square. T square by its under root of, right? 3 plus once you use 3 plus, so what I was left out is, okay, this 2t gets cancelled, and this is 3t square plus 2t square minus t square. No. 5t square is 4t square. One minus t, sorry, it is 1 minus t, no? Yeah, it is 1 minus t by t. What I have to substitute is, right? So 1 minus t by t. Okay, once again. Yeah, I substituted wrong. See here in previous board, it was 1 minus t by t. Correct, no? All right. No. So integration of 1 by t, it's under root. Here what I'm going to get? 1 minus t by t, 1 minus t by t. Correct, no? Instead of x, you are going to 1 minus t by t. That is okay. All right. Now 3 plus 2 minus 2t minus of 1 plus t square minus 2t. It's minus of 1 plus, right? Here what I will be left out with is t. Here what I will be left out with t square. Now in next step, this t comes to numerator by under root of t square is your LCM. Then what I'm going to get? 3t square. 1t gets cancelled. 2t. Then minus 2t square. Now you multiply. Minus 1 minus t square minus into minus plus 2t. Right? And this is minus dt by t square and minus dt by t square. Is it clear? So that is nothing but integration of t into t. This t comes outside the root, it comes to numerator by under root of 3t square plus 2t minus 3t square minus 1 plus 2t, right? And this is minus dt by t square. Now t square gets cancelled, right? T square gets cancelled, and this also gets cancelled. So that is minus outside 1 by under root of 4t minus 1 is left out, and this is dt. Yeah, minus will outside. Okay, this is fine. Now minus integration of 1 by under root of 4 into, but what is t? But what is t? your t is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x, correct? T is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 dt. That is minus outside as it is, right? Integration of 1 by under root of 4, take LCM, minus 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Okay, I'm replacing first itself. No. Here, let us do integration of this first. Now, what is that? Into minus outside. Now it is in the form of some minus 1 by 4, right? Minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and 4. You multiply and divide with under root of 4t minus 1. Now f dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x integration is 2 root f of x. Okay, that is minus 1 by 4 into, now derivative of this is in numerator. So that is 2 root 4t minus 1. 2 1s are 2 2s are gets cancelled. That is nothing but minus 1 by 2 under root of, what is left out? Minus 1 by 2, yeah, under root of 4t minus 1 is left out, right? Under root of 4t minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 under root of 4 into t is what? 1 by 1 plus x minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 under root of 4 minus 1 minus x by 1 plus x. That is minus 1 by 2 under root of 3 minus x by 1 plus x plus c. After doing integration, you are going to put plus c compulsory. Is it clear? So plus c. Right? Once again, I'm repeating this model. What is this model? It says, if it is in the form of integration of 1 by px plus q into under root of ax square plus bx plus c, then px plus q, you are going to take it as 1 by t, differentiate with respect to x, 1 equal to minus 1 by t square, minus 1 by t square dt by dx, then dx equal to minus dt by t square. Now 1 plus x is nothing but 1 by t, x in terms of t also we want, right? Now replace everything there, and simplification, you be careful, right? It is under root of, okay, now 3t square minus 3t square gets cancelled, you be sure, right? Then what I am going to get is minus integration of 1 by under root of 4t minus 1, multiply and divide with 4, multiply and divide with 4, this part, multiply and divide with 4, so that derivative of the root inside the root is present in numerator, that is f dash of x by root f of x is 2 root of f of x. Is it clear? Right. Let us do one more problem based on the same approach. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x into under root of 3 minus 2x minus x square dx. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x under root of 3 minus 2x minus x square dx. Same, px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. So put 1 minus x is equal to t, sorry, 1 by t. Put 1 by t, correct, no? 1 minus x equal to 1 by t. Now differentiate with respect to x. Minus 1 by t derivative. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by t square dt by dx. Now minus minus gets cancelled. Dx equal to 1 by t square dt. Dx equal to 1 by t square dt. Same again. 1 minus x is given as 1 by t. Now t is equal to x. I want to make it as subject, right? Then 1 minus 1 by t equal to x. Then x equal to t minus 1 by t. Be careful with this substitution. It is t minus 1 by t. Now dx is in terms of t. X is also in terms of t. Now replace everything in your integration, right? So I will do here. That is integration of 1 by, this is 1 by t, under root of 3 minus 2 into what is your x? T minus 1 by t minus t minus 1 by t whole square. And what is that? Dx is 1 by t square dt. What is the dx? 1 by t square dt. Now this t comes to numerator by under root of 3 minus 2t plus 2 by t minus of, this is t square plus 1 minus 2t by t square. This is 1 by t square dt. Now take LCM inside the root. Take LCM, t square is your LCM. So 3t square minus 2t square plus 2t, because already I multiplied minus inside, okay? Right. Next, minus t square minus 1 plus 2t. And this is 1 by t square dt. Now same, 3t square minus 2t square minus t square. 3t square minus 3t square, it gets cancelled. Correct, no? Now what I will get again, 4t minus, this t square comes outside the root and it comes to numerator, right? Same approach again, only minus is the difference. Is it clear? So this t square by under root of 4t minus 1 dt by t square gets cancelled. Now multiply and divide with 4 again, 4t minus 1 dt, then 1 by 4, it is 2 root of 4t minus 1, that is 1 by 2 under root of 4t minus 1. But what is t I considered? 1 minus x is 1 by t, then t will be 1 by 1 minus x. Is it clear? Under root of 4 into 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 plus c, right? That is half under root of 4 minus 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Half under root e plus x by 1 minus x, 3 plus x by 1 minus x plus c. So these are your models of fourth exercise, which has been covered. Is it clear? Yeah, in your March exam, he has given, I told you already, in March exam, 1 by 1 plus cos 2x, something it was asked like this, 5 plus 4, something. Whenever cos 2x is given, put tan x equal to t. The method is same, the approach is same. Only the difference is, instead of tan x by 2, you remember the lab 2 days before class, I was teaching you the first method. So tan x by 2, instead of tan x by 2, you put tan x, because it is cos 2x, multiple angle formula, okay? Right. Now let us start with reduction formulas. Very important. Let us start with reduction formulae. So I will read the question. Reduction formula is there will be 6 reduction formulas, and one problem will be attached to it, right? Obtain the reduction formula for integration of sine power n and evaluate sine power 4. Is it clear? I will directly start the sum. First, let in is equal to integration of sine power nx dx. Then in is equal to integration of sine power n minus 1x into sine x. I'm splitting the power. Power n is there, no? You write it as n minus 1 and plus 1. Again, when bases are equal, add powers. N minus 1 plus 1 is again sine power nx1. Now, this is your f of x, and this is your g of x. This is your f of x. Then your in is equal to integration by parts. I will write the formula once. Integration of f of x into g of x is f of x into integration of g of x minus integration of d by dx of f of x into integration of g of x. This is your integration by parts formula. Okay. So that is nothing but sine inverse x into integration of sine x dx minus integration of d by dx of sine power n minus x. Yeah, follow the formula into integration of g of x, this whole dx. Already we started doing integration. You put 1 plus c, no problem. You put 1 plus c. Now in is equal to sine inverse x. Now integration of sine x is minus cos x minus d by dx of x power n formula n minus 1 sine to the power n minus 1 n minus 1. Again sine x derivative is cos x. Integration of sine x is minus cos x and derivative of sine x is cos x into integration of this first x power n formula n into x power n minus 1 sine x derivative is cos x again minus cos x dx plus c. Minus sine inverse x into cos x. Now this minus and this minus it becomes plus. Simplification. N minus 1 as it is. Now sine to the power n minus 2x into cos square x dx. Okay. Now in is equal to minus sine power n minus x into cos x plus n minus 1 into, correct only no? Minus sine inverse x cos x minus sine inverse x, that is, sorry, this is sine power n minus 1 only. So sine to the power n minus 1x into cos x minus plus n minus 1 outside minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 outside. Now sine power n minus 2 I am having sine to the power n minus 2x into cos square. I will write it as 1 minus sine square x dx. Is it clear? So minus sine to the power n minus x cos x plus n minus 1 into sine to the power n minus 2x into 1 is sine to the power n minus 2x minus sine to the power n minus 2x into sine square x is sine power nx dx plus c. Now that is minus sine to the power n minus x cos x plus n minus 1. Separate your integration. Minus n minus 1 sine power nx dx plus c. But according to the n minus 1, this becomes in minus 2. Minus n minus 1, this becomes in. Correct, no? Why? Because in first itself we considered, what we considered, in is sine power n minus. Now sine power n, in, then sine power n minus 2 becomes in minus 2. Sine power n minus 1 becomes in minus 1. Is it clear? Like that. Now bring that in plus n minus 1 into in. That is equal to minus sine power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 in minus 2. Now take in common, 1 plus n minus 1 minus sine to the power in minus x n minus 1 in minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. In into n you bring it to denominator. That is n minus 1x cos x by n plus n minus 1 in minus 2. Is it clear? So this is your integration by parts formula. You can have a look. Now, one problem has been attached to it. What is that problem? It was integration of sine to the power 4x dx. So your n is equal to 4. What was your in? Just now we derived the formula, no? Minus sine power n minus x minus sine to the power n minus 1x cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2 plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. So here I start with I4 minus sine cube x cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4. This is I2. Then I4 is equal to minus sine cube x cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4. Again, what is I2? Same. Minus sine to the power 2 minus 1 is x cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2. N is 2 no now? N is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1 sin x plus 1 by 2. 2 minus 2 is I naught. That is minus sine cube x cos x by 4 minus 3 sin x cos x by 4 to the 8 plus 3 by 8 I naught. Now what is this I naught? See, your in is sine power nx dx. If I1, if I come across, then I1 means sin x, which is minus cos x. If it is I naught, then sine power 0x. That is anything power 0 is 1, x plus c. So that is x plus c. This is how you are going to get your sine power 4 answer. That is reduction formula. It has been reduced. Is it clear? So when n is 4, so minus sine cube x cos x by 4 minus 3 by 8 sin x cos x plus 3 by 8x plus c. Is it clear? So this is, once again, you can have a look. You might get doubt, sir. Suddenly where this plus c has gone? This plus c, in minus 2, then n minus 4, n minus 6, n minus. Every time it's in minus 2 means every time I'm writing integration only. Inside that integration only, this plus c is there. And at last, when I reach I naught, like this, you will get 1 plus c. Every integration will give you constant. And sum of all constants is one big constant, and that is your c. Is it clear? Right. Next, second one, reduction formula for what? Cos power n. Let in is equal to same approach what we did. Sin power n, cos power n will be same way. Tan power n, cot power n will be same. Secant power n, cosecant power n will be same. Is it clear? Right. So in is equal to cos power n minus 1x into cos x dx. Again, this is your f of x and this is your g of x. So integration by parts, once again, cos to the power n minus x, f of x as it is, into g of x dx, minus integration of d by dx of f of x into integration of g of x whole dx, its whole dx. Actually, plus c will be there every time. Every time plus c, add all constants. At last, you will get one big constant, and that will be a required answer. So in is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x. Integration of cos x is sin x dx. Now d by dx of cos power n minus 1, n minus 1 cos power n minus 2 x. Now cos x derivative is minus sin x. Integration of cos x is sin x dx. Is it clear? That is nothing but cos to the power n minus x sin x. Already I did integration. Minus this minus and this minus is plus, right? N minus 1 outside, cos to the power n minus 2x into sin square x dx. Now that is nothing but cos to the power n minus x sin x plus n minus 1 integration of cos to the power n minus 2x. You write this as 1 minus cos square x dx. Is it clear? Now what I'm going to get? What was the last step we wrote? Now open the brackets and multiply cos power n minus 2 inside. So in is equal to cos power n minus 1x into sin x cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 integration of cos power n minus 2x minus cos power n minus 2 into cos square. When bases are equal, add powers, 2 gets cancelled. What I get this? Now in is equal to cos to the power nx sin x plus n minus 1 cos to the power n minus 2x minus and dx you write down dx minus separate your integration of plus c will be there, right? Minus cos to the power nx dx plus c. This I am going to take it as in. This I am going to n plus 1. No, that is no n minus 1 only, right? So this I am going to take it as in minus 2. So in is equal to cos power n minus x sin x plus n minus 1 integration is in minus 2 minus n minus 1. This is in. In this inside this in, this integration whole constant will be there. Is it clear? That in keep on, you change the values of n. Every time I get constant. At last you will get one big constant that will be plus c. That after, while reducing it, you are going to write that part. Now in plus, bring it inside, cos power n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 in minus 2. Now in 1 plus n minus 1 cos to the power n minus x sin x plus n minus 1 in minus 2. Now minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Make in subject, bring n to the denominator. Plus in minus 2. Is it clear? Now this is a reduction formula for cos power n. This is your reduction formula for cos power n. So in is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x by n plus n minus 1 into n in minus 2. Now what is asking? Cos power Okay, this much only. Suppose it is asking cos power 5. Suppose integration of, yeah, in next board I will do, right? So cos power n minus 1 cos x, you can have a look. Same, sine and cos, the approach is same. Sine and cos, the approach will be always same. Sine and cos, the approach will be same. Next. Suppose integration of cos power 5x dx is asking. Means n equal to 5, which is odd actually. So I start with I5. I, it is 5. So cos power 4x sin x by cos power 4x sin x by 5 plus plus n minus 1 by n. 5 minus 1, 4 by 5 this is. 4 by 5, this becomes what? I3. Because in minus 2, no? 5 minus 3 is 2. Next, cos power 4x. Cos power 4x sin x divided by 5 plus 4 by 5. Again, open the bracket. Same. In same in formula, instead of n, you put 3 now. Same. Okay. That what I am going to get? Cos cube x by sin x by 4 plus 2 by 3. 5 minus 2 is 3, no? So this is 3. I3, correct? Then 2 by 3, I1, because 3 minus 1 and 3, what is your formula? 3 minus 2, no? So 3 minus 2 will be 1, right? So that is nothing but cos power 4x sin x by 5 plus 5 3s are 15. 4 cos cube x sin x plus 4 2s are 8 by 15. What is I1? I1 means cos power 1 dx. Cos x sin x plus sin x plus c. This is your reduction formula for sin power, cos power n. So in tomorrow's class, we'll do reduction formula for tan, cot, secant and cosecant. So cos power n, and this is what you should know, and you be careful while doing the sums, because chances of doing the mistake will be more. If small mistake you commit, you will only not understand what you are doing properly. Is it clear? So this is about your reduction formulas. That's all. So yeah, if I start anything else also, we can't finish off. That goes, it takes 15 minutes. So this is about your long answers of integration. After long answers of integration, what I'm suggesting is, okay, definite integral also, definite integral, we'll do few long answers which are very important exam point of view. But for that, you should know your definite integral properties. Anyway, I will write all the properties side by. Then last chapter, it will be differential equations. With this, your almost long answers chapters has been done. And tomorrow, ellipse and hyperbola 4 marks, something we'll do like this. I mean, I will continue with reduction formulas only. After that, I'm talking about. It's clear. So that is the thing. Only 5 minutes I will take. So let us do some 2 marks of integrations, right, which are very important. So many times he asked. Is it clear? integration of a power x minus b power x whole square divided by a power x b power x dx. Is it clear? Now, this is nothing but integration of a power x whole square plus b power x whole square minus 2a power x b power x by a power x b power x. Now separate your denominator for each and every numerator. These two gets cancelled, one b power x, one a power x. A by b whole power x plus b by a whole power x minus 2 dx. Now what is integration of a power x formula? A power x by log a. So same way, it is a by b whole power x by log a by b, b by a whole power x by log b by a minus 2x plus c. Is it clear? Right. And a power a by b whole power x. This is log a minus log b, b by a whole power x by this is log b minus log a minus 2x plus c. That's all. So for today we'll stop here. Very important for 2 mark this is. Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow.